You can try all these 5 optical illusions at your home with ease. This is the first one, very simple one. You you need a simple paper and pen. Just draw a circle, spiral, and do the remaining thing with your hand. It's very quite easy. When you are rotating, you will see the illusion. The second one is, this is very much interesting. You need to draw the pattern in a oval kind of paper, then attach to the string and just move your hand so that it will rotate. While it is rotating, you can see the illusion. It looks like not a dummy paper, flat paper. It is really looks like a 3D. You can hang at your home so that it will looks very great. You find very interesting. See the closer, it looks like some portal, but in reality it is a flat paper with black and white lines. This is another so much very interesting. All you need is one transparent paper and then one white paper. Randomly do the dots and keep a transparent sheet on top of that. The very closer to the previous dots, keep another dot very carefully. It will take little amount of time, but once you done that, you will realize what you done. So now just rotate the transparent paper. Now you can see the interesting part. It is like a universe in your hand. You are the things, the dots makes form. This is another. It is like another optical illusion. If you see from one end, you will see different number of uh, squares. If you see from other angle, you will see the three. If you see from outside, you will see four. Like it is like a four rectangles, three rectangles. It can be, you can debate all over the time. It's very easy to draw. You should try. Instead of seeing this, you should try with your own hand. It will be interesting. Now we will see another one more optical illusion that is a little bit tricky. You need to draw these lines so that then take two papers which are in same size. You can take small papers. If you see, these two are small, equal size length, but when you keep them in on this drawing, you will realize, if someone sees, they will find those are not equal. Their lengths are different. One is less and one is bigger one. But in reality, those two paper lengths are same. This is so much interesting when you see it. So try at your home all these 5 optical illusions. This is part of our nature. At sometimes what you see is not true. What you believe, not true.